Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will be gathering financial data, specifically stock data, using Yahoo Finance Library. Before we start, let me quickly show you where you can get more information and what kinds of data you can fetch from Yahoo Finance. From this website, also you can use this website for other libraries. You can just scroll down here and you can see what you can get. You can get history metadata, actions, dividends, splits, and income statement, cash flow, major holders, earning dates, ISIN number, options, news, and a lot of information. You can just check this website. You can just write Yahoo Finance Library to the Google and this website will appear at the first place. Once again, we will be gathering financial data, specifically stock data using Yahoo Finance Library. Then we will visualize this data using MPL Finance, a powerful library in Python. We will use Pandas, NumPy, Yahoo Finance, and MPL Finance. You can install them like this. From both terminal or from here, we can say install Pandas, NumPy, Finance and MPL Finance. And when we run the cell, they are going to be installed. I need to write like pip3 since I'm running this on Python 3. And I already downloaded them, but this line will download in your computer if you haven't downloaded these libraries before. With the environment set up, now we can start by importing the necessary libraries, like we are going to import Yahoo Finance as YF, import MPL Finance as MPF, and import Pandas as PD. Now that we have our libraries imported, let's move on to the gathering financial data. We will use the Yahoo Finance library, which provides us with a wealth of historical stock data. We are going to start by defining the stock symbol and time frame that we want. I'm just going to work with Apple stock. Maybe we can do another one later on this video. We are going to say stock symbol is going to be equal to the Apple's symbol, and we are going to set the start date here like 2022 0101, and let's take the end date as 2023 08 and 01. Now we are going to use Yahoo Finance for fetching the data using download method. For this we are going to say stock data is going to be equal to the YF download stock symbol. We set it this, start is going to be equal to the start date and end is going to be equal to the end date, and we are going to run like this. If you get this response, then it means you successfully downloaded it. Great, we now have the Apple stock data for our chosen symbol. Let's take a quick look at the data to understand its structure, and then we are going to prepare it for visualization. Let's say stock data.head for seeing the first 5 entry. We can see that we have the information about daily opening price, daily high, daily low, and closing price. Also, we have information about the volume. I love using Yahoo Finance for working with financial data, but there is other data providers that provide different informations about stocks and bonds. You can also prefer them. Now we are going to visualize the stock data using MPL Finance. This library provides us with various plot types, styles, and customizations. I'm going to create 2 visualizations. First one is going to contain information about the last 200 days data and won't include volumes. And second one is going to have all the data. Let's start with the first one. For this we are going to say mpf.plot stock data.tail, and we are going to pass the last 200 days data, and we are going to say type is going to be equal to the candle. Also, I want to say that for visualizing this kind of data, we generally use candlestick charts. We are going to say volume is going to be equal to the false for this one, and show non-trading is going to be true, and let's just press enter here. For writing below, we are going to say title is going to be equal to the I'm going to use an f string here because we can do this for another stack. I'm just going to say stack symbol stack price, and let's set the style as Yahoo, and it seems great. I think, as it says, we forgot a comma here. Yeah, that's true. And now I'm going to run this and it's going to work. Seems great. We can see the information about last 200 days. We can just change these numbers, like I'm just going to make it 50 and I'm just going to make it 25. It's completely optional. Let's just keep it 100, and then we are going to move on to the second chart. Now we are going to add volumes to this one. For this, we are going to say npf.plot stack data. Type is going to be candle again. This time volume is going to be equal to the true. We are going to say show non-trading is going to be true. Title, let's press enter here. Title is going to be equal to the, we are again going to use f string. We are going to say stack symbol here. It is stack price with volumes. We are going to set the style as Yahoo, and one last thing, we are going to say warn too much data is going to be equal to the length of the stack data, and this is going to work smoothly with the addition of volumes. We got the same error here. I'm just going to add a comma here, and when we run this, it's really great. And there we have it. You can see the volumes below the graph right now. Since we used f strings, we can easily change the stack symbol and apply everything with it without a change. Let's also see that one. I'm going to the cell that we selected our stack symbol as Apple, and I will change it with Amazon. Let's see our new outputs. Let's get to the cell and let's change this with the symbol of Amazon like this. And now we are going to rerun all of the code. I will start by this, and I'm going to download the Amazon's data, and as we can see, it's downloaded successfully. Let's see the head of it. You can see that values are changed, and we are going to update this. Also, title is going to be updated since we used an f string here, and I'm going to rerun this, and seems great. You can use this type of codes because when you change something, it automatically changes everything. Like we can just do this for Tesla, and it's going to be work smoothly with the Tesla data. Like as you can see, we can generate graphs and informations about the stock we want. That was all for this video. I'm creating content in data science field, so you can subscribe for more content like this. Have a great day.